Talking about the layout of your workspace, go to the layout. Under the layout menu, we'll be talking about the insert page. How to insert a page in CorelDRAW. So let's assume you have a couple of ways to do it. So come to the first thing, come to layout, depending on what you want to do. Insert a page. You want to insert a page, hit on the insert page here. It will ask you, do you want to insert, how many pages do you want to insert? Number of page. Do you want it to be before or after? By default, they do come after. Can you see it? You can change the size of the page, the weight. If you want to do it manually, you can change it here automatically. You can change it manually here. Do you want it to be portrait or landscape? So let's assume we want to insert a page after. You click on it. Okay. To come after. Can you see it? This page 26. Yes. So this is the page. It has become page 28. Can you see it? Page 27, 127. This is 128. So this is how it works. The next one is duplicate a page. Let's assume you want to duplicate this page. You come to the layout. Let's stop here. We'll explain more about duplicating the page after. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. You're welcome.